I'm Dom, and in this video I'm going to be answering your questions and reviewing this mouse. So let's take a look at the questions. So Blaze D asked, what do you think of the build quality? Did you have any issues with buttons or any other issues? So, to be fair, this mouse is built extremely well, and it just feels premium. It feels like a strong mouse. What I really like about this mouse is the ability to customize it. You don't have to have the honeycomb cover if you don't want to. It came with a standard plastic cover, like I showed you in my previous video. And by the way, if you haven't seen that video, I highly recommend checking out the link under the description of this video. I'll also be linking an Amazon link to this particular mouse if you're interested in buying it. Now, using the mouse, it feels fast as well. Obviously, it's got a decent sensor on this. Buttons, you know, on some mice, they are horrible, especially when you look at mice that feel light, or basic mice that just feel cheap. This mouse is actually, you can feel that it's a premium quality mouse. The build is absolutely amazing. I love this sort of color changing feature on it. It looks absolutely amazing on my desktop. Right, so moving on. Giovanni M asks whether I like the mouse. I absolutely adore this mouse. Now, I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing this name wrong. Joe2Obe asked whether I'm still using it as a... Now, apologize if I'm pronouncing your name incorrectly. Joe2Obe asked whether I'm still using it as my main mouse. Now, to answer that, no, I'm not using it as my main mouse. And the reason for that is I'm actually using this as my main productivity mouse. This is the Logitech MX Master 3. Obviously, this mouse is at a completely different price range to the Sharkoon, but that's for different reasons. Unfortunately, I don't do gaming full time. I do a lot of productivity where this mouse just works so much better. But in terms of gaming, when I game myself or with friends, I tend to use this mouse. There have been times where I've used different mice in the past, such as the Razer Basilisks, which is a video on that as well I made. But I keep going back to the Sharkoon. It just feels so much nicer when gaming. Now, TalkAH, I hope I pronounced your name correctly, asked how I'm finding this mouse so far. And I'm absolutely loving it. It's an amazing gaming mouse, probably one of the best mice I ever owned. So hopefully I've answered your questions. Let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section of this video. The mouse is very customizable. I decided to use the red DPI button along with the honeycomb cover. But you have a choice between a normal and a honeycomb cover and the color of the DPI button, which is very, very good. So let's do a little demonstration of how the buttons work. Yeah, so to summarize, the Sharkoon Light2 200 is an absolutely amazing mouse. The overall quality is amazing, it's extremely light. The ventilation on this is absolutely brilliant. I hate it when your hand gets warm and sweaty and then the mouse just starts to feel uncomfortable to use. Because of the honeycomb structure, this mouse feels really good when you use your PC for long periods of time. And the style of it reflects my setup extremely well. And if you have a look on Google, if you have a look on Pinterest, Instagram, all the rest of them, or any other setups where this mouse is used, it looks absolutely amazing. Yeah, so that's it for this video. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more great content. And check out some of my other social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. All the links to that will be in the description of this video. Till next time.